This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to... The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wakanda to near Barrington, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, O'Hare Airport, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, Niles, West Town, Chicago, Lakeview, Irving Park, West Ridge, Lincoln Park, Austin, and Wilmette. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Lockport, Joliet, and surrounding communities. An excessive heat warning remains in effect until